Most people think improving their home takes thousands of dollars, but in reality, it's the small things that make the biggest difference. I'm going to show you 7 simple indoor home hacks that make your house feel cleaner, more comfortable, and easier to live in without tearing anything apart. Some are pretty obvious, but most of these take less than 10 minutes. Let's start with something almost no one thinks about: your vents. Your air vents and return grills get dusty fast, and when they do, they don't just look bad, they push dust back into your home. Take a few minutes to pull the covers off, wipe them down, or even give them a quick rinse. And while you're at it, check your ceiling fans for dust too. This instantly makes your home feel cleaner and helps your system breathe better too. Next, doormats. Not just outside, inside too. Most dirt comes from your shoes, and if you only have a mat outside, it's not enough. Add a second mat inside your door. It cuts down on dust, keeps your floors cleaner, and saves you time cleaning later. Now let's talk about something that quietly makes your home feel messy: cords. TV cords, chargers, random cables. They add visual clutter fast. Use simple cord clips, sleeves, twist ties, zip ties, or just route them behind furniture. It's a small fix, but it makes your space look way more organized almost instantly. Here's one that most homeowners ignore: baseboards. Over time, they get scuffed, dusty, and beat up, and it makes the whole room feel worn down. Wipe them clean, and if they're really rough, hit them with a quick touch-up of paint. It's cheap, it's fast, and it makes your entire room look newer. Now, let's go to your bathroom exhaust fan. This is one people forget completely. Dust builds up inside that fan, and when it does, it stops pulling moisture out properly. That leads to humidity, which leads to mold, which turns into a bigger problem. Pop the cover off, clean it out, and make sure it's actually working. Next, your dryer area. Not just the lint trap, the area around it. Lint builds up behind and around your dryer over time, and it's not just dirty, it could be a fire risk. Pull the dryer out carefully, clean around it, and make sure the vent area is clear. Now here's a simple comfort hack before you ever touch your thermostat. Check your air filter. If your air filter is dirty, your system has to work harder, airflow drops, and your house just doesn't feel right. Swap it out regularly and you'll notice a difference almost immediately. By the way, if you dig more simple tips like this, follow our page at Marsh HC. That's MARSH-HC. And thanks for the support. And finally, one of the easiest ways to make your home feel better: declutter your everyday space. Not everything, just spots you use the most. Your nightstand, your kitchen counter, your entryway. Clear out, organize, and give everything a place. When those areas are clean, your whole house feels more under control. None of this is really complicated, but these are the exact kind of things that separate a home that feels stressful from one that actually feels comfortable. And if you stay on top of the small stuff, you avoid big, expensive problems later. And if something in your home doesn't feel right, whether it's airflow, temperature, or anything HVAC or plumbing related, call Marsh Heating and Cooling at 814-758-0036. We'll protect your home like it's our own.